I'm Jeff Richardson with Delphi Technologies. If you're replacing your fuel pump module, make sure you clean the tank. If you're replacing your fuel pump module, make sure you clean your tank. To clean the tank, remove the tank, thoroughly drain it, wash it out, use the low suds detergent, dry it, reinstall it. If you can't remove the tank, use FCO2, our fuel tank cleaning wand. FCO2 is designed to get into those hard to reach places and pull the debris out. It's got 3 magnets in the head, it's got a replaceable microfiber cloth, and each wand will come with 5 replaceable pads. If you're working in a saddle tank situation where it's hard to drop the tank, use FCO2. We know you're not always going to drop the tank, so FCO2 is designed to get into those hard to reach places and remove most of the dirt so you can make sure that your module will last a long time in today's environment. So in some situations, it's hard to get the fuel tank out. They have saddle tanks, they have suspension in the way, or on all-wheel drive vehicles, there's a drive shaft in the middle. So simply access the fuel pump through the rear seat access panel by removing the rear seat out. And you can see here, this is where we're going to access this one. Okay, so we've run the FCO2 around the bottom of the tank, and this one's pretty clean. So we're just going to use 1 pad on this one, but if you continue to get dirt like this, use the next pad, use 2 pads, use 3, whatever you have to, but get as much dirt out as you can. If you can't get all the dirt out, you might want to think about dropping the tank and really cleaning it. You can find FCO1 or FCO2 at any of your local stores that carry Delphi products.